Hey folks, Douglas Trevino, Realtor, Southwest Florida with Maxim Realtors. Want to take a minute here and make a quick mention of something. This is one of the last months that I'll be going around door to door. I've been pulling the Liz Pendens list, which is the notice of foreclosure, the suit of foreclosure by lenders against homeowners here in Lee County. I've been primarily hitting Cape Coral. I'm going to be visiting folks in Fort Myers mid-month before Christmas. Thing I've been seeing quite a bit of are vacated homes, abandoned homes. Folks dropping the keys on the counter and walking away. Now, thankfully, there are quite a few people still in their home. We're able to sit down, short sell their home before it goes to foreclosure. A lot of people are trying loan remodifications. Unfortunately, they're starting to see pretty quickly that the percentage of people who are actually able to modify their loan to their benefit, to where it makes sense, is very, very small. It's a small percentage. People go through the process, but when they realize it can't be done, what I'm seeing are vacated homes. People, in essence, walking away. Why they never tried a short sale, I don't know if somebody didn't come to them or a realtor didn't make it known that, hey, this is an option to short sell your home. For whatever reason, these folks didn't do the short sale option. It's absolutely frustrating when I go to the house and I see we could have short sold your home. You could have gotten out of this, avoided the foreclosure. We definitely would have done it. Was at one property today where they had a realtor who had tried a short sale in April, and the short sale expired. And I asked, well, what happened? And the homeowner said, well, we couldn't get a buyer. And I was gasping for breath, going, wait a minute, you couldn't get a buyer? That's ridiculous. That is never, never, never a reason. Unless we have a multi-million, but even if we have a multi-million-dollar home, we will get a buyer in there. I'm astounded. And most of these homes are in Cape Coral, so we're not talking about a $1 million home here. We're talking about a home, I believe they had it listed for $60,000. That is insane. We will definitely find a buyer for that home. That's not the question. I feel that realtor dropped the ball, and unfortunately there's so many realtors out here who should not be doing short sales. That's absolutely crazy. They should not be touching them because they don't have a process in place, and they're just hurting the homeowner by trying that. So we're going to be relisting them. I'm going to get it sold, and we're going to go to the bank to negotiate so we can prevent the foreclosure. We're going to do it correctly. So folks, make sure you sit down with somebody who's got a process in place, knows what they're doing, and is aggressive, because you need that for the short sale. You need that to go through. You need that realtor to be fighting for you with the bank to negotiate to get you the best possible outcome that there is. So pick up the phone, take some action. Please do not walk away from your home without having tried a short sale, because I'm telling you, that's going to be the better bet. Just walking away from your home and eating the foreclosure, to me, doesn't make a whole lot of sense when you could have made a short sale and completed it and walked away at that point, not owing anybody, not having a short sale or a foreclosure on your record, and being able to possibly purchase in 24 months, but more importantly, not being chased after the debt and possibly not having to file bankruptcy. Call 239-410-4460. Call me. We can sit down, no obligation. There's no cost for a short sale either. So to not do one is absolutely crazy. When most people go to an attorney and spend thousands, they'd rather do that when that chance of success is so nominal and minuscule. But when the chance of a short sale, the chances are so great and there's no cost, why people don't do that blows my mind. Why they choose to go to an attorney first and only the attorney and then avoid the short sale, to me, it doesn't make any sense. And it's sad when I go to a home that's been vacated before they had the option, they just walked away and gave up. Most people just had the Liz Pendens filed, and they still gave up before they even filed for foreclosure. It's astonishing. Please don't be that person. Please don't give up. Give the short sale a shot. It can be successful. It works to your benefit. Forget about the bank and how it's your benefit. That's it. The short sale's to your benefit. You are the one that benefits. Keep that in mind. The banks have been absolutely crazy, some of them. And some of them have been absolutely mean and rude. And people say, well, I don't want to do the bank a favor. You're not. Forget about that. You're doing yourself the favor. The bank could care less. Either way, they're going to foreclose or they're going to short sell, whatever you choose to do. To them, it doesn't matter. It's a numbers game. But for you, it benefits you. Keep that in mind. Any questions, call, email me, message me, get a hold of me one way or the other, and I will definitely sit down with you and see what I can do to help. In the meantime, folks, have a great day. There is hope. Short sales work. Take care.